things from home, like board games and tennis balls and magnetic reusable water balloons, and I like the forts.
I personally really liked just seeing all my friends and playing all the board games and just having a great time.
Vengan a nuestro campamento de verano.
Come to our summer camp.
Entonces vengan a nuestro campamento de verano.